Good morning, student. Today I am going to deal with you Moral Science. Chapter 7. Is God really there? So, student, can you tell me, is God really there? Yes, God is present everywhere. Now, let us start this story. Mona was always asking questions. Who made the earth? Who made the sea? Who made the stars and the sky? Who made the flowers and the green grass? Who made the birds, bees and animals? Who made the mountains? Who made us? So now, can you tell me what is the answer of all these questions? There is only one answer of all these questions. So that is God. God made the earth. God made the sea. God made the stars and the sky. God made the flowers and the green grass. God made the birds, bees and animals. God made the mountains. God made us. So now come to next page. The answer was always God, our creator and father. God is our creator, means he made us and he is our father. So next, one day Mona went to fly a kite with her father in an open ground. It was a bright, sunny day and many children had come to fly kites. But Mona was different. She wanted to fly the kite and ask questions like she usually did. If God is my father, how can I talk to him? One day she went to a ground to fly a kite, and his all friends and many other children also came here to fly the kites. So every children came, but in that Mona was very different from other children. She wanted to fly a kite and ask question like she always do. एक दिन मोना पतंग उड़ाने के लिए ग्राउंड में गई और उस दिन बहुत तेज धूप थी और उस दिन बहुत सारे बच्चे पतंग उड़ाने आए थे और उन सब में मोना सबसे अलग थी। वो चाहती थी कि पतंग उड़ाते उड़ाते कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछे जैसे वो हर समय करती थी। So she asked that if God is my father, how can I talk to him? She asked. And her father replied that just like you talk to me, you can talk to him. Prayer is all about talking to God. So her father told, very good idea, that as you talk to me, you just talk to God. And the way of talking to God is prayer. And then Mona asked that, Daddy, I can see you, but why I cannot see God? Is God really there? As he said this, the bright red kite flew high. be there. For a long time, Mona could see it, and then after the long time, it was gone, and she felt that it has not fallen, as its string is in my hand. फिर वो बोली कि अगर गॉड मेरे फादर हैं तो मैं उनसे कैसे बातें करूं? तब मोना के पापा ने उससे बोला कि तुम जैसे मुझसे बातें करती हो उसी तरह गॉड से भी बातें करो। फिर मोना बोली, डैडी मैं आपको देख सकती हूँ पर गॉड को क्यों नहीं? क्या गॉड सच में होते हैं? जब वह बोली तो उसका रेड काइट और ऊपर उड़ने लगा। बहुत देर तक मोना उसको देख पा रही थी। फिर वह पतंग आसमान में गायब हो गई, लेकिन मोना को पता था कि उसकी पतंग उसके पास है। उसे पता था कि उसकी डोर उसके हाथों में है। Then Mona told this to Daddy that Daddy, I cannot see my kite, but I know that it is there because the string is in my hand. And then Daddy replied that yes, exactly same happened with us. We knew that God is with us, but we cannot see him. डैडी मुझे काइट नहीं दिख रही है। तब उसके डैडी ने उसे कहा कि ऐसे ही होता है, गॉड हर जगह होते हैं लेकिन हमें दिखते नहीं हैं, वो हमारी हेल्प करते हैं। So now the explanation of this chapter is completed. Now come to fill up. Start. God is our creator and dash. God is our creator and father. Next, talking to God is called dash. Talking to God is called prayer. We cannot see God, but He is dash. We cannot see God, but He is there. Now come to question answer. Answer this question. Number 1. Who created us? Answer. God created us. Number 2. What is prayer? Answer. Speaking to God is called prayer. Question number 3. How do we know God is all around us? Answer. We know God is all around us by feeling His presence all the time. Next, number 4. Write the name of things which is created by God. Answer. Earth, sky, birds, animals, mountains, stars, flower, and last, human. Now the question answer is completed. Come to exercise. Start. Number 1. Underline the correct word. Here given 2 options and you have to choose the one and underline it. A number. The sun sets every evening or sometime. सनसेट कब होता है? इवनिंग में होता है या कभी कभी होता है? इवनिंग में होता है. So you have to underline evening. Next number B. The air we breathe is all around us. Always या sometime. हम लोग सांस कब लेते हैं? हमेशा लेते हैं या कभी कभी लेते हैं? Always. हम लोग सांस हमेशा लेते हैं. Okay? Next number C. We need water daily sometime. Answer: we need water daily. Next number 4. The sky is dark every night sometime. The sky is dark every night. Now this question is completed. Come to question number 2. Take the picture showing prayer. Here you have to take the picture showing prayer. So now, which one picture is showing prayer? This one or this one? Yes, this one. Because here this girl is doing prayer and here the boy is sleeping. So tick here. Okay? Now next number. Write down the lesson you learnt in a line. Answer: we cannot see God, but we can feel Him all around us. Now this chapter is completed. Thank you.